In lesson 2, we introduced the short vowel sound ah. We're going to be using that sound for this sorting activity. You will notice that we are only going to be thinking about ah when we hear it right at the beginning of the word and ah when we hear it somewhere in the middle of the word. Let's go over the pictures. You can see that each of them has its own number. This is so that you can write the numbers in a grid like this one that you have drawn. In this box, we are going to be writing the numbers of the pictures where we hear the sound ah right at the beginning of the word. And in this box, we're going to write the numbers of the pictures where ah is somewhere in the middle of the word. We are not going to be using the no entry box. Let's go over the pictures. We have number 1, back, 2, alphabet, 3, wax. The little arrow is pointing to a puddle of it. 4, bag. 5, ambulance. 6, cat. 7, ankle. 8, ant. And 9, stag. Pause your video and write the numbers on the grid that you have drawn. Welcome back. Let's go over the pictures. Back. Ah is in the middle of the word. Alphabet, the ah is at the beginning. Wax, in the middle of the word. Bag, the ah sound is in the middle again. Ambulance, ah is at the beginning of the word. Cat, middle of the word. Ankle, beginning of the word. Ant, beginning of the word again. And last one, stag. The ah is in the middle of the word. How did you get on? Let's check again with the numbers. Did you write 2, 5, 7 and 8 in this place on your grid? And did you write 1, 3, 4, 6 and 9 in this place? Good job.